As a workout, running is either done on a well-laid-out track, on treadmills, or even on the streets and roads. Running has become an integral part of a healthy daily workout, especially for cardiovascular and respiratory exercise, as well as for working out your legs. Running, which is loosely synonymous with jogging, has a lot of benefits people tend to trivialize and ignore, and most people seem to take it for granted. In this video, we will talk about what will happen to your body if you run for 30 minutes every day. Let's get started. 1. Running burns calories. Running burns a lot of calories. As you sweat, the calories reduce. How fast and how many calories you burn depends on physical factors such as your age, weight, and height. But overall, it has been backed up by research that assuming you're 85 kilograms, you should expect to burn about 420 calories within 30 minutes of running. 2. It enhances mental health. There is something soothing about the breeze on your face and the way your body moves while running that eases the mind. Running every day comes with so many benefits, especially for your mental health. Your stress levels will reduce, and you'll feel better and generally more fulfilled, which all adds up to better mental health. 3. Better sleep. When a person cannot sleep, the hormonal cortisol, which is the primary stress hormone, kicks in, rapidly increasing your stress levels. The next day, you'll end up tired, stressed, and with a tendency to eat a lot. It is a perpetual cycle. Running breaks this cycle by aiding in weight loss, getting rid of stress, and getting you so tired you can't help but sleep. 4. Improved cardiovascular fitness. When you initially start running, you'll realize how unfit you are because you will run out of air quickly, develop cramps in the wrong places, end up with blisters, and get seriously tired. But as you keep running, your body gradually eases into this enhanced state of mental bliss. Your lungs begin to expand to accommodate more air. Your heart steadies into a rhythmic thumping to pump blood. Your calves and feet get used to the pounding. And ultimately, your general cardiovascular health is improved. 5. It lowers blood pressure. Strangely, running, which makes your heart beat faster leading to rapid breaths, would be assumed to raise blood pressure. On the contrary, it reduces it. A study conducted revealed that, in truth, running actually lowers your blood pressure. The bottom line is, all these benefits are gotten from just running for 30 minutes every day. Most people ignore the benefits and focus on the strain and the stress of running. Truth be told, initially, it is not easy. That's why it's not advisable for beginners to aim for 30 minutes every day. Instead, slowly increase the time as you get better. As you get better, the benefits you'll see will definitely be massive. So, will you add running to your workout program? Let us know in the comments below.